Hello Linda, here we are in Wakefield Cathedral. Just going to show you around and going to light a candle for you to wish you well. As you can see, they're decorated for Christmas. They've got all these hardboard cutouts of angels. The stained glass is lovely here. So now I'm going to light a candle for you here, babe. One moment. Would you mind holding that? So you can get me in. Candle lit for you. There it is. That's my friend Karen. She's going to be lighting the candle for her friend. Right. Look at the stained glass here with the sun shining through it. It's just amazing. I hope I can get some of the effect in for you. This cathedral has got the tallest spire in Yorkshire. There's a carol. Watch that step. And there we are. One of the centerpieces. It's just a work of art, this is. I'll just go down to the main altar. I'm going down there. That's another candle lit for you anyway, babe, so a good bit of a good word put in for you. And there's the main altar. It's just amazing. When you think all this was carved by hand, all the stonework, all the detail they put in, it's just amazing. Okay, I won't take it too long because YouTube are a bit funny about long videos, so I'll see you later. Bye Linda.